Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a declined payment on Neteller and get your transaction working again. If your Neteller payment keeps getting declined, the first thing to do is check your account balance. Make sure you have enough funds, including any fees. Next, verify your card or bank details. Expired cards or incorrect information often cause declines. If you're using a new card, ensure it's verified in your Neteller account. Go to Money Out/Cards, select your card, and complete the verification if needed. Also, make sure your card supports international and online transactions, as some banks block them by default. Clear your browser cache or try the Neteller app, then attempt the payment again. If it still fails, contact Neteller support. Provide the transaction ID and ask them to review the reason for the decline. Usually, once verification or bank restrictions are resolved, your payment will go through smoothly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.